Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy coffee right here on a Monday morning at the SSC Mansion. Guys, we got some big news that happened overnight. Huge news. Um, we'll talk about that here in a second. Uh, let's make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hype our videos. We'd really appreciate it. This is the funnest part, I think, about my channel is getting up and doing these videos in the mornings. I like doing coin videos. They're fun. But these are my favorite, I think. I want to give a special shout out to some folks that I haven't seen in over 30 years that I've just found out are watching our channel. Charles, and I believe his wife's name is Martha. I hope I'm right on that. I hope I'm all right. I heard you're moving to Blanchard, Oklahoma at some point, and we'll be glad to see you, everybody. So, and shout out to everybody that watches this channel, and thank you, subscribers. Remember, I'm right here in your living room with you. I'm just a normal guy right here in Oklahoma. Big news, guys, on the gold and silver market. I woke up at about, I don't know. Oh, by the way, happy coffee, ADHD. Ow. That's what's fun about not editing this stuff out. It's just normal, guys. Just normal is like you. But big news. I woke up at about 1:30 in the morning, and I was absolutely shocked when I decided, hey, I'm going to, just for giggles, I'm going to look at the market and see what is happening right now. Because yesterday evening, I was quite shocked, or maybe not shocked. As the professor would say, either hold your silver or sell your silver. It's up to you. And hold your gold and sell your gold. It's up to you. But it was $3,946, everybody. That is absolutely incredible. And I'm like, well, I'm going back to sleep over this. And so it's gone down just a little bit. So let's get into it and look at gold and silver, platinum, palladium. Gold is down to $3,941. Wow, it's really down, isn't it? Wow, it is up, everybody. Wow, what is the driver on this? Of course, we know what the driver is. We're going into fall. All these countries, they're buying the gold. The central banks are buying the gold. Man, it's the safe haven, everybody. Gold and silver. And, I got some big news about gold for SSC that we're going to probably film this weekend, post on Sundays, although Sundays are absolutely a terrible time to post videos. I figured that out yesterday when we posted Rich's video. You got to go watch it. It's long, guys, but it's super good information. The guy is the professor when it comes to gold and silver and numismatic coins. He's the professor, and he's an honest professor. So silver is at 48.61. It's up 70 cents an ounce. Gold's up 56.70 an ounce. I'm going to start investing a little bit more in gold, everybody. So I'm pretty excited about that. But I am the silver stack cracker, so we got to continue on with the silver. Platinum is doing fantastic. It's at 16.12. It's up $8, everybody. Palladium is 12.52, up $8. Rhodium is the same. It's always the same. It's about 6,900. Let's move over here to copper. Happy coffee, huh? Gotta have this coffee. All right, guys, my little mug right here. Really like that mug. It's kind of cool. 507 on copper. I anticipate copper to continue the rise, everybody. Bitcoin, it's the digital king. Although as I've said 100 times, I'm not a Bitcoin guy, but to all you guys and gals and whoever you are that have Bitcoin and invested in it in an early time, you've done very, very well. It's 123,889.90. And let's move over here to Goldbacks. There's some good information on Goldbacks with Rich, the professor, if you haven't watched the video. The exchange rate is 7.93. I anticipate it going up today when it updates to over $8 exchange rate. So, hey, just for giggles, let's move over to some channel updates, everybody, because my channel has become so successful because of you. And some of you might look at it and go, no, you're not successful until you have 100,000 subscribers. Well, I hope I have 100,000 subscribers someday. But if I don't, nobody cares. It's a lot of fun. And my success is because of you, not because of me. We're at 3,522 subscribers, everybody. We didn't make the Goldback giveaway October 4th. We will be having another giveaway, and I'll figure out what we're going to do. So just because I enjoy doing that for you guys, it's not about me. It's about sharing my wealth, which is very small, with you. So 3522 on subscribers and 282,000 views. I'm looking to hit 300,000 views by the end of the week. Hopefully we hit 500,000 views by the end of the year, guys. So that's our channel update. Let's go back to gold. Gold's coming down a little bit. It's easing up. We're not even opened up on the markets here yet. We're at 39.38.30. It's down just a little bit. And here goes silver, 48.60. Will silver hit 49? When do you guys think silver will hit 49 and 50? Now, we have talked about this, so make sure you leave your comments on this. But I think, wow, there's a good chance that silver will do $49, I believe, and stay there by the end of the week. There's a good chance. And maybe in the next couple of weeks, it might even go sooner than that. We just don't know. It's been fairly predictable, but silver could hit 50 in the next couple of weeks. It might be the end of the year. It might hit 50 and stay 50 in 2026, early 26. Do you guys think that there'll be a huge pullback on gold and silver? You know, it's kind of like the housing market. If you guys remember when that busted back in like 2005, 6, 7, something like that, when it broke out. I mean, we got a bubble going on with our precious metals. Is the bubble gonna burst and they're gonna drop? If it does, I hope everybody gets on board and buys a ton of gold and silver, everybody. Platinum, we're still the same. It's 16.12. It really hasn't moved at all. 48.58 silver. That's down again. 39.60 on gold. 12.51 on palladium. Everybody. Copper's still the same. Bitcoin's still the same at 123,889.90. Golly. And Goldbacks. 7.93 exchange rate. Guys, I love all the metals. We love copper. We love gold. We love silver. We love titanium. I've got a little bit of titanium. It's really cool. And one of my viewers said, hey, I keep reordering my titanium credit cards so I can get a few and see how many it takes to stop a bullet. Wait. Let's make that one the comment that made me laugh, because it did. I'm like, keep reordering your credit cards, your titanium credit cards, to see if you can get a bunch. And well, that's one way to collect titanium, I guess, right? So, gosh, man, things are actually shocking in the precious metals market. And there's a lot of people out there going, I just can't afford to buy gold and silver. But everybody, as we've talked before, dollar cost average, just because it's really high doesn't mean that you can't afford to buy gold and silver. If you have to buy a quarter ounce of gold or a half ounce of gold or 1 ounce of gold, do that. If you were buying $100, spending $100 a month and getting 2.5 ounces of gold, 3 ounces of gold, or not gold, but silver, that'd be woof. Anyway, and now you can only get 1 ounce of silver. Well, then buy 1 ounce of silver. You're still buying silver. You're still stacking your silver and your gold bullion. And as Rich would say, buy some numismatics. Numismatics makes this investment interesting and fun. And there's a lot of history behind numismatics. And it's just, to me, it's a lot of fun. I've really got into that. Mrs. SSC's really got into that, the collectability of silver and numismatics. And we got a couple of pieces to show you, a couple of things to show you this coming weekend. We're having my big 60th birthday party with a family on Saturday, so I won't be posting any professor videos Saturday. So let's go back and overview our gold and silver prices right now, guys. When is gold going to hit the big 4,000? Will it hit it this week? When is silver going to hit $49 an ounce? Will it be this week? So make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you comment. We appreciate all of you. Good morning once again from Oklahoma to everybody all over the United States, California, and Texas and Florida and Oklahoma and all over the country. And some of you hear my cat over there whining every morning. So SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Happy coffee, happy Monday. Have a safe work week. If you're working, thank you for watching us right here from my living room to your living room, guys. 4:30 a.m. That means I get to drink more coffee and chill out just a little bit. So we will see you tomorrow morning. Let's make some comments. Let's talk about this gold and silver, everybody. SSC, I'm out.